Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to slow down video on iPhone. So I'm just make this video to slow motion. So simply open your App Store, go to search option, search here to VN. Then you get this video editor apps. This apps is totally free and without any watermark. So at first need to install. Press on open. I'm not use CapCut. Click on to plus option, add any video, press on new project. And select a video. Okay, now I'm select this video, press on, and showing it to speed option. Okay, select regular and decrease speed 0.5x. Select and press on right mark. Now I'm checking. Now it's make it slow motion. You just easily save this video.